Hey everyone, welcome back to Lifestyle Projection. What if I told you your gut could hold the secret to a happier, healthier life? Today we're diving into something that's been called the second brain of our body, your gut. You know that feeling when you've got butterflies in your stomach? That's your gut talking. And believe me, it has a lot to say. Did you know that your gut health affects more than just digestion? It plays a role in your mood, energy levels, and even your immune system. We're talking about a whole ecosystem living inside you, working hard to keep you healthy and happy. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take charge of your gut health for a happy, healthy life. Let's unlock the power of your gut. Let's start with the basics. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, and even viruses living in harmony. This is called your gut microbiome. It's like a bustling city working 24/7 to help you digest food, absorb nutrients, and even produce vitamins. We're talking about a complex system here, guys, with more bacteria in your gut than stars in the Milky Way. Think of it like this: your gut is like the engine room of your body. If it's running smoothly, everything else works better. You've got more energy, your immune system is strong, and you just feel good. But when things get out of whack, you start to notice it everywhere. But here's the cool part. Your gut is also connected to your brain through something called the gut-brain axis. This is a two-way street, folks. Your gut sends signals to your brain, and your brain talks back to your gut. It's like they're having a constant conversation. This means a healthy gut can actually boost your mood and reduce stress. Ever wonder why you crave comfort food when you're feeling down? That's your gut-brain axis at work. Amazing, right? Now, how do you know if your gut needs some TLC? It's not always obvious, but there are some telltale signs that your body might be giving you. Well, your body is pretty good at sending signals. You just have to know what to look for. These signals can sometimes be subtle, but if you pay close attention, you can catch them early and take action. Here are some common signs that your gut might be waving a red flag, and trust me, you don't want to ignore these. First up, are you always bloated or constipated? This isn't just an occasional thing, but a frequent uncomfortable feeling that something isn't right. I'm talking about that uncomfortable too full feeling, even when you haven't eaten a lot. It can make you feel sluggish and heavy, affecting your daily activities. That's a classic sign that things aren't moving along as they should. Your digestive system might be struggling to process food efficiently. Second, are you constantly tired even after a full night's sleep? This isn't just about feeling a bit sleepy, it's about a deep, persistent fatigue. You wake up feeling like you could sleep for another 8 hours. This kind of exhaustion can be debilitating and affect your productivity and mood. This could mean your gut isn't absorbing nutrients properly, leaving you feeling drained. Even if you're eating well, your body might not be getting what it needs. Third, have you noticed random food intolerances or allergies popping up? Foods you used to enjoy without any issues are now causing discomfort. Suddenly you can't tolerate dairy or gluten like you used to. This can be frustrating and limit your food choices. This could be a sign that your gut microbiome is out of balance. When the good and bad bacteria in your gut are out of sync, it can lead to these issues. And finally, how's your skin looking? Your skin can often reflect what's going on inside your body, especially your gut. Are you breaking out more often or dealing with eczema? These skin issues can be a direct result of gut problems. Believe it or not, your skin is a reflection of your gut health. When your gut is inflamed, it can manifest as skin problems. If your gut is inflamed, it can show up on your skin. This connection is often overlooked, but it's crucial for overall health. Sound familiar? Don't worry, I've got solutions for you coming up next. There are ways to restore balance and get your gut back on track. We're going to get your gut back on track. Stay tuned for tips and tricks to improve your gut health and overall well-being. Let's talk food. Specifically, the kind of food that can make a world of difference to your gut health. A healthy gut starts with what you eat. The foods you choose can either nourish your gut or disrupt its delicate balance. You are what you eat, right? This saying holds especially true when it comes to your gut health. Well, that goes double for your gut bacteria. These tiny organisms play a huge role in your overall health. They thrive on the foods you give them. The better you feed them, the better they can support your health. Here's what you should focus on. Foods that are rich in probiotics, prebiotics, and fiber. First up, we've got probiotics. These are the beneficial bacteria that help keep your gut in tip-top shape. These are the good guys, the beneficial bacteria that help keep your gut in tip-top shape. They can be found in fermented foods. You can find them in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and kombucha. Including these in your diet can make a big difference. Think of it like this. Probiotics are like reinforcements for your gut army, helping to fight off the bad bacteria and maintain balance. Next, we have prebiotics. Think of these as food for your good bacteria. They help the probiotics flourish and do their job effectively. They're like little snacks that help the probiotics flourish. Including prebiotics in your diet is just as important as probiotics. You can find prebiotics in foods like bananas, onions, garlic, and oats. These foods are easy to incorporate into your daily meals. And finally, we can't forget about fiber. Fiber is essential for keeping your digestive system running smoothly. Fiber is like a broom for your gut, helping to sweep things along and keep things moving smoothly. It's crucial for maintaining regularity. Load up on whole grains, legumes, and fresh vegetables. These foods are packed with fiber and other essential nutrients. Now here's what to avoid. Processed foods, too much sugar and artificial sweeteners. These can harm your gut health. These are the villains of the gut world. They disrupt your microbiome, throwing off the delicate balance and leading to all sorts of problems. They disrupt your microbiome, throwing off the delicate balance and leading to all sorts of problems. This can result in digestive issues, inflammation, and even mood swings. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut. When your gut is in good shape, it positively impacts your overall well-being. And a happy gut means a happier, healthier you. So make those gut-friendly food choices and feel the difference in your health and happiness. Gut health isn't just about food, it's a lifestyle. It's a holistic approach that encompasses various aspects of our daily lives. From what we eat and drink to how we manage stress and stay active, every little habit can contribute to a healthier gut. It's about taking care of your whole body and mind because everything is connected. When we nurture our mental and physical well-being, our gut health naturally follows suit. A balanced lifestyle can lead to a balanced gut. Here are a few simple but powerful habits to support your gut. These habits are easy to incorporate into your daily routine and can have a significant impact on your overall health. First and foremost, stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to support your digestive system. Water is essential for overall health, but it plays a crucial role in digestion. It helps break down food, keeps things moving along, and helps your gut bacteria thrive. Without adequate hydration, your digestive system can become sluggish, leading to discomfort and other issues. It helps break down food, keeps things moving along, and helps your gut bacteria thrive. Drinking water before and after meals can aid in digestion and ensure that your body is absorbing nutrients efficiently. Aim for 8 glasses a day and more if you're active. If you find it hard to remember, try carrying a reusable water bottle with you or setting reminders on your phone. Next, let's talk about stress. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but how we manage it can make a big difference to our gut health. We all experience stress, but chronic stress can wreak havoc on your gut. It can disrupt the balance of bacteria, leading to inflammation and other problems. Finding effective ways to manage stress is crucial for maintaining a healthy gut. It can disrupt the balance of bacteria, leading to inflammation and other problems. Chronic stress can also slow down digestion, causing issues like bloating, gas, and even irritable bowel syndrome. Find healthy ways to manage stress like yoga, meditation, or even just a walk outside. Speaking of walks outside, spending time in nature can be incredibly soothing for both your mind and your gut. Exercise is another key ingredient for a healthy gut. Regular physical activity helps stimulate digestion, reduces inflammation, and can even improve the diversity of your gut bacteria. It's not just for your muscles. Your gut loves it too. Exercise increases blood flow to your digestive organs, helping them function more efficiently. Exercise helps stimulate digestion, reduces inflammation, and can even improve the diversity of your gut bacteria. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a full workout at the gym, staying active is essential. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Consistency is key, so find an activity you enjoy and stick with it. And finally, don't forget about sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for overall health, including your gut health. Sleep is when your body repairs and rejuvenates itself, and your gut is no exception. During sleep, your gut has a chance to rest and repair, and your gut bacteria can rebalance. During sleep, your gut has a chance to rest and repair, and your gut bacteria can rebalance. Poor sleep can lead to imbalances in gut bacteria, which can affect your digestion and overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Establishing a regular sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine can help improve your sleep quality. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to gut health. Start with 1 or 2 of these tips and see how you feel. Over time, these small habits can lead to significant improvements in your gut health and overall well-being. Start with 1 or 2 of these tips and see how you feel. Your gut will thank you, and you'll likely notice improvements in your energy levels, mood, and overall health. Alright, that's your crash course on gut health. We talked about what gut health is, why it's important, and how to take care of your gut through diet and lifestyle changes. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Start with one gut-friendly habit today and watch how your health transforms. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health and lifestyle tips. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite gut-friendly food? I'd love to know. Thanks for watching Lifestyle Projection, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy.